Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to report about the things to do in budgeting. So, at the end of the presentation, the audience should be able to define the importance of budgeting in a business, identify the important things to do when budgeting, and explain problems and solutions related to budgeting. Next is things to do in budgeting. First is inspecting the project strategic plan. Before creating a budget, it is important to understand the strategic plan of the business. The strategic plan contains the company's goals and future directions. Makahelp niya siya sa business to decide where the money should be spent and asa na dapat siya i-prioritize. Second is review the SWOT analysis. Reviewing the SWOT analysis helps identify the strengths and weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of businesses. By adding these factors, managers can prepare a budgeting support the strengths of the company and reduce possible risks. Next is examine other businesses assessments. Businesses should also examine financial reports, sales records, and other assessments. Those documents provide useful information, performance of the business, and help in making financial decisions. Fourth is inspecting the business plan. The business plan contains activities, projects, and expected expenses of the companies. Reviewing the business plan helps ensure that the budget matches the needs and the goals of the organization. Lastly is understand the context of your budget within the overall business. A budget should not focus only on one department or activity. Mag-focus siya dapat sa overall operation of the business. So, i-understand the role of the budget within the company para tabangan ma-improve ang financial management and business performance. Next is problems connected to budgeting. First problem is overspending. One common problem in budgeting is overspending. This happens when a business spends more money than planned. Overspending can lead to financial difficulties and reduce business profit. Second is poor financial planning. Without proper planning, businesses may fail to allocate money correctly. Poor financial planning can cause shortage in important areas may affect the operation of the company. Third is businesses face emergencies, sudden repairs, or price increase. These unexpected expenses can affect the budget and create financial stress. There's no extra funds in prepared. If there's a problem, there's also a solution. First solution is monitor expenses regularly. Business should regularly check and record their expenses. Monitoring expenses can help identify unnecessary spending and ensures that the company follows the budget plan. Create a realistic budget plan. A realistic budget should be based on the actual income and expenses of the business. Setting achievable financial goals can help a company manage money efficiently and avoid financial problems. Third is prepare an emergency fund. Setting aside extra money for emergencies is important. An emergency fund can help businesses handle unexpected expenses without affecting normal operations. So, summary. Budgeting is an important part of managing a business because it helps control expenses and achieve financial goals. Businesses should inspect strategic plan, review SWOT analysis, and examine business report before preparing a budget. Although problems such as overspending, poor financial planning, and unexpected expenses may occur, this can be solved through proper monitoring and realistic budgeting. On emergency funds with effective budgeting, businesses can improve their financial stability and achieve a long-term success. So thank you for listening.